In this video, I will share with you two guaranteed formula to become rich. Believe me, without this, you can never become rich. As a bonus, at the end of this video, we will also see two important tips given by world's one of the wealthiest person, Warren Buffett. So please watch this video till end, and before you are lost in this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, My Sunday Motivations. So let's begin. Number one, what is the definition of profit? What is income? Most of us do not know the actual definition of profit or income. Normally, we understand that profit means income minus expenditure or sales minus expenditure. When you reduce your expenses from income, you get your profit. This is what we normally think. This is the mindset of poor people. Rich people think differently. Today, we will learn the real definition of profit, income, and expenses. As per this new definition, listen carefully. Income minus profit is equal to expenses. In other words, sales minus profit is equal to expenses. Suppose your income is or your sales is 1 lakh rupees and you expect a profit of 10%. So 10,000 rupees profit you expect from the sales of 1 lakh rupees. So applying this new formula, we get that 1 lakh rupees minus 10,000 is equal to 90,000. 1 lakh rupees your sales, 10,000 rupees your profit, 90,000 rupees your expenses. In other words, you take your profit first. You are working hard for your business. Don't think you are entitled to get your profit at the end. That's a wrong attitude. So, once your sales is 1 lakh rupees and your expected profit is 10%, please keep aside 10,000 rupees and whatever is left, that is 90,000, that should be your expenditure. In other words, you have to manage your expenses within this 90,000 rupees. Remember, uncontrolled expenses is the major reason for a business failure. Please understand this very carefully. Income minus profit is equal to your expenses. If you have not understood this, please let me know in the comment section below. I will clarify all your doubts, but don't make a mistake of not understanding this formula. It's very, very important. This one habit, one discipline, one ritual you must follow consistently and religiously if at all you want to become rich. Step number 2. Let me tell you a story before I give you this step number 2. Suppose there are two students, student A and student B. Student A gets up early in the morning, devotes time for his study, takes notes in the classroom, is disciplined and have a systematic plan. Student B is casual, easygoing, does not have any plan. Obviously, student A gets distinction, gets admission in a very reputed institutions, and ultimately becomes a very successful person. Student B is leading a ordinary life. What is the takeaway from this story? It is the consistency and habit that makes you successful and rich. Applying the same formula for financial freedom, you can become rich, happy, and successful. As a financial advisor, I always advise my clients to take baby steps towards saving. It's a habit, it's a culture, it's a ritual. See, Mount Everest is about 29,000 feet from the sea level. Nobody can climb Mount Everest in one go. But if you climb every day 100 feet or 200 feet, it is sure that you will reach Mount Everest, provided, of course, you have proper training. Same applies to savings also. You have to take baby steps. The steps I am going to tell you might seem very trivial, small, insignificant, but believe me, if you follow this step, it will change your life. So I invariably advise my clients to start a piggy bank. Yes, piggy bank. Don't be under the impression that piggy bank is only for kids. We as adults has to learn many things from children. So you start your piggy bank. So start your piggy bank and don't be in hurry to buy one piggy bank from Amazon or any other websites. Use any pouch, any purse, any container, any jar which can hold some currency as a piggy bank. If it is transparent, it is better. Once you have selected your piggy bank, follow the following 7 rules. Number 1, each and every member of your family must have a separate piggy bank. Number 2, put a specific amount in the piggy bank every day without fail. Remember, the amount is not important. It may be 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, any amount you are comfortable with. But you must put something every day in the piggy bank. Every member of your family must put something in the piggy bank. Number 3, never withdraw any amount from the piggy bank under any circumstances. Number 4, keep your piggy bank at such place where you can see it every day. Number 5, techno-savvy millennials can use apps like Wisely to save their money and link the same with a bank account or even with sites like Flipkart or Make My Trip. Number 6, reduce your expenses slowly without compromising on the quality of your life. For example, you can avoid branded products and adopt non-branded products which are as good as branded products and are cheaper. Number 7, that is the last one. At the end of 30 days, remove the money from piggy bank, count it, and deposit in a recurring deposit account of your bank. You can also deposit the same in any other investment plan which is safe and gives you a reasonable return. Remember friends, there are 3 reasons for becoming financial broke. Number 1, you don't have a plan or a budget for your expenses. Number 2, you don't keep a track of your wealth. Number 3, you have poor saving habits. So start your piggy bank right from today, because tomorrow never comes. As promised, let me give you as a bonus 2 tips given by Warren Buffett. Number 1, never use a credit card. For some reason, even if you have to use your credit card, never avail revolving credit facility. And before you start saving, clear all your credit card debts. Number 2, invest in yourself. Be a lifelong student. Remember, learning is earning. So friends, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Soon we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and be positive.